back to the channel, guys. In today's episode, yes, we're gonna break the sound barrier with this Honda Civic. As you can see, we're gonna straight pipe it. Okay, that's a joke. I'm not gonna straight pipe it out of the hood of the car. But stay tuned. Guys, do some garage starts right now. Okay, now before I get started, we got to see what it sounds like, or actually hear what it sounds like before I do the job. So here comes a cold start on this already obnoxious exhaust. And my man wants to go louder. We'll see. All right, now that we got it up in the air, now we can slide under it and take that stock exhaust off. Start measuring pipe up, which we got right there. About 2.5 inch pipe we're gonna put on this. Maybe it'll have a really, really loud sound. All right, slide up under it. Okay, show you what we're gonna attempt to do here. Grab some light. All right. Okay. We're gonna disconnect it from the muffler because we're going to put a Cherry Bomb exhaust in that area where the resonator is. Then we're going to take out all this pipe all the way down here. See, I go all the way down to this down pipe here because he already had the headers done. Now we just got to put that straight pipe all the way down through. Well, all right, now it's just a matter of mocking everything up, getting rid of that, and mocking it up with all of these things. Should be fun. Let's start the test fit. Well, that's gonna be our down piece. Yes, I had to notch that out because that's a little bit thicker than the bolts that are over there, so that'll be okay. They'll still fit. Let's see. Now I might have to notch that out a little bit more so I can get the nuts in, but so far it's looking good. Looks like we need to come down a little bit. Come down quite a bit. Okay guys, Now I don't have those special exhaust pipe benders and all that good stuff, but I think there's a way we can get this stuff to fit. As you can see, this fits up properly, but I need to match that same pattern there. I'm a little bit off. So what I'm gonna do is just make a couple of relief cuts in it, try to get it to go that way so it can go in nicely. Now that we got that piece fabbed up, now we got to start making our distance. Start cutting that out so I can weld that to the other piece. I say that's a perfect fit. Now I just gotta weld on the other flange right there. Close enough. now we got the main pipe down, got our bends coming off the manifold, or headers rather. Now we need to do is tackle the rest of it. Start making my 90s to go to the muffler. Nothing says loud like a cherry bomb exhaust. So yes, we're going to install that real quick. Alright, well, now that we got all of our bends, all of our length, now it's time to weld this whole daggone thing up. Of course, weld the cherry bomb on also. Alright, now we got it all welded up. Now it's time to go back on the Civic. Well, okay, now that we got the brand new stainless steel exhaust installed, now it's time for the after install cold start. So here we go. Not that loud. But anyways, if you'd like to see louder things, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time. Peace.